Let's start with the biggest reason why everyone is talking about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, the cameras. Xiaomi has always focused on photography with its Ultra series. But this year, the company is taking things to a whole new level. The phone is expected to feature a powerful 50-megapixel camera with a massive 1-inch sensor. A larger sensor means more light enters the camera, helping you capture brighter photos, better colors, and amazing detail, especially at night. Next, there's a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for landscape shots and group photos. You also get a 50-megapixel telephoto camera for clean optical zoom. But the real star of the show is the brand new 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. This camera is designed for long-distance photography while keeping images sharp and detailed. Just imagine zooming into a mountain, a building, or the moon without losing quality. Xiaomi is also continuing its partnership with Leica, bringing premium Leica lenses, authentic color science, and new focusing technology for even more professional-looking photos. For selfie lovers, the phone is expected to include a 50-megapixel front camera with autofocus, making both selfies and video calls look incredibly sharp. If mobile photography is your priority, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra could easily become one of the best camera phones on the market. Moving to the front, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to feature a beautiful 6.9-inch Hyper RGB OLED display. It supports a 2K resolution, making everything look incredibly sharp and colorful. The display also offers a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, so scrolling, gaming, and animations feel extremely smooth. With an impressive 3500 nits of peak brightness, outdoor visibility should be excellent, even under direct sunlight. On top of that, the display supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 12-bit color, and multiple eye protection technologies, making it perfect for watching movies or spending long hours on the screen. Simply put, this is one of the best displays Xiaomi has ever made. Powering the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor built on an advanced 3-nanometer process. This flagship chipset promises faster performance, better battery efficiency, and improved AI capabilities. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, multitasking, or using AI features, this phone should handle everything without slowing down. The phone is expected to come with 16GB LPDDR5, XRAM, and 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, giving you lightning-fast app loading and plenty of space for photos and videos. To keep temperatures under control during heavy gaming, Xiaomi is adding its new 3D dual-channel Ice Loop cooling system. So even during long gaming sessions, performance should remain stable. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi is making improvements. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra is expected to include a large 9mAh battery, easily capable of lasting an entire day of heavy use. When it's finally time to recharge, you get 90W wired hypercharge and 50W wireless charging. That means less waiting and more time using your phone. Like every modern flagship, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra is packed with AI features. It will run on HyperOS 3, offering tools like AI writing, AI speech recognition, AI interpreter, AI search, AI wallpapers, and Google's Gemini AI integration. These features are designed to help you work faster, translate languages, summarize text, and improve your overall smartphone experience, connectivity, and extra features. The Xiaomi 17 Ultra doesn't stop with cameras and performance. It also supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, NFC, ultra-wideband UWB, dual SIM with eSIM support, IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, AI face unlock. These premium features make the phone feel complete from every angle. Ultra models, making it available to more users around the world. The price is around $1,468, placing it firmly in the premium flagship category. While that's certainly expensive, Xiaomi is clearly targeting users who want the very best smartphone camera and flagship experience available. A huge 1-inch camera sensor, an incredible 200-megapixel periscope lens, Leica imaging, Snapdragon Elite Gen 5, a gorgeous 2K OLED display, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, and premium AI features make this one of the most exciting flagship phones of the year. But on paper, the Xiaomi 17 Ultra looks like a serious competitor to every premium smartphone on the market. So what do you think about the Xiaomi 17 Ultra? Would you choose it over the latest Samsung Galaxy Ultra or Apple's next iPhone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest smartphone reviews and tech updates.